Hey friends, how are you all? So today we'll be learning that how we can create Amazon seller account. So we'll go to the Amazon website. Then in UAE, how we can create our merchant or seller account. We'll be learning that. So for that we'll go to the options, all. Then we'll scroll down all the way, and we'll go to the account. Then you'll be getting the options like this. We'll scroll down. Then you will go to the other accounts. You can see the seller option. We'll click that. We'll go to seller option. Then you'll create your account by clicking on start setting. You can also check out the guidelines given by them. So we'll click it. So if you're already registered, you can sign in. If not, then we'll go to create new account. We'll be clicking it. Okay, then you'll add all of your details step by step. Then first you'll add your email address, your password, and your email name. So in UAE all over you can use this and you can create your account like that. Do let me know if you have any questions. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. Okay, we'll be adding the password, and then we'll go create your account. Okay, then at your email address you'll be getting the OTP number. You'll go to email, you'll open the email, then you'll just copy paste the number. We'll copy and then we'll paste it so that it will be verified now. Okay, good. Okay, then you will select whether you will be running your store individually or you are a legal business entity. So you will select your options accordingly. So I'm a business, so I'll be doing it business. If you are an individual, you can choose the individual option. Both options are available. Then you'll add your legal business entity name, your company name. It should be similar to your license name. All right, so we'll be adding that. I'm just showing you for the example, please. It's not a real business name. So yeah, just to make you guys know that how it's done. So yeah, after that agree and continue. Okay, now see, you'll be getting all the options. Only these 5 options you need to fill up, and then you're good to go. So we'll complete that step by step now. So first they need our basic information, that what is your location, your phone number, your business name. So we'll be doing that. I'm in Dubai, so with whatever city you are, you can add that accordingly. So scroll down, choose your location where you are. So just click it and add your own information accordingly. Then you'll add your legal business entity name. As I said before, it should be similar to your license name. Then we'll add the phone number. After adding phone number, then we'll go text me now to get the verification done. So we'll be doing that. Oh, okay, I missed the street address. I'll add, then good to go. Okay, then you'll get the number on your phone. So you'll add the PIN, then verify. So now phone number verification is done. We'll go save and continue. Alright, see, our first step is completed now. Yeah, so now second option will be doing that pickup address. So you can choose if any option you want, but for me it's fine, so I'll go save and continue. Here's the shipment address that where you will receive your shipment. So next is your payment information. So you can add your credit card number to make it more convenient for you. For now I'm just skipping it, but you can add it later, no problem. So this will be used in your transactions. Then fourth step is to tell them about your barcoding. So if you have programmed it, so you can add it, because obviously no product is there without barcodes. So you'll do that. I'll select the options accordingly as per my products. So you can check out the products as per your requirement. Then we'll be doing that. No, I'll use the first option. So yeah, continue then, because these barcodes help to sell the products and to know the description of the goods. Alright, so our fourth step is completed. Then we are finally at the last option. So what product category you will be selling, you will just select that options. There are a lot of options given by them, you can choose accordingly. So I'll be doing watches, jewelry, clothing, apparel. You can select accordingly as per your products. If you are having any other options as well, you can add that in other category if your options are not included. So I'll be doing this, and then so yeah, you can add here. So these are all the options and good to go. Okay, so this is the last step. Here they are asking about the identity verification of your business. So if you are a registered company, then you will be selecting option this. I am a company seller, I manage the account by myself on the behalf of my company. But if you are running individually, then you will select the first option. So yeah, and then we are done. So like this your account will be created. Then you can choose the Amazon bestseller products. You can put it in Alibaba, then you can purchase from the supplier, then you can make your products available on Amazon. So as I selected the business entity option, I'll mention my license number etc over here, but if you'll select the individual option, then you can add it accordingly. So yeah, then you are good to go. And in the next video we'll be learning that how we can create Alibaba account. So subscribe for more. Thank you.